You can choose to set and retain a special price for a specific product and customer in Minfos Dispense. Once set, the next time the same item and quantity is dispensed to the same customer, the special price will populate in the price field. This option is available for private and under co-payment prescriptions. The special price function must be enabled prior to use. To enable the special price function, from the Dispense Pro module, click the Maintenance menu and select Deconfiguration. In the configuration window, click the Printing Pricing tab. Check the Set Special Price checkbox and click OK to save. Now the Special Price checkbox will be displayed on the dispense form. To set and retain a special price for a customer, select the customer and the drug in the dispense form and enter the script details as normal. In the price field, enter the special price for the medication and check the special price checkbox. Then save and process the script. The next time the same drug and quantity is dispensed to the customer, the price to the customer will display the special price and the special price checkbox will be checked. The SP price indicator will also be displayed. It is important to note that once a customer is given a special price for the drug quantity, this price is not automatically adjusted if the cost price of the drug changes. You should always check the GP percentage on the dispense form to ensure that the GP on the script is adequate. Special prices cannot be set or applied to Regulation 24 scripts. If the script being dispensed is a Reg 24 and there is a special price set, a Minfos prompt will display. If at any stage you want to remove the special price, bring up the customer and the drug in the dispense form, uncheck the special price checkbox and click ADJ, then click OK. This will remove the special price for that dispensing and all subsequent dispensing of the drug and quantity for that customer. For further information about dispense pricing in Minfos, please visit the Minfos Help Centre.